Okay. Something special about the walnut trees between that campus and UC is that they reminded me that I had a personal vendetta against walnuts. And maybe I shouldn't, because it's not the trees' fault, but I'll show you. Right now, most of them are barren because it is November. But during the late summer, you'll notice that they'll grow fruits. And inside those fruits, of course, are the walnuts. The walnut would be the seed, but around the seed would be a husk. So that's an example of one right there. And something special to note is that they'll look round and green, and they'll look kind of tasty. Like, I don't know. I remember when I was a kid, I would always pick them. But you really shouldn't pick them apart, because underneath those will be a bunch, or underneath the husk, underneath the beautiful green fruit, will be a bunch of maggot-looking like things. They are the flies. They are the larvae stage of the walnut husk fly, which is a parasitic insect. Perhaps they are good pollinators, but I know they're not healthy per se for the walnut tree. They're 100% parasitic. So the adult female will lay their eggs underneath the skin of the walnut husk, and then throughout the summer the eggs will hatch, and then this will just fill up with worms, and it is disgusting, and it'll turn the husk black. It'll stain the outside of the walnut shell, and that is very bad economically for the walnut industry, I guess. Doesn't affect these trees much, because the flies only infect the fruit and nothing else. But yeah, like the memory of cracking open a nut husk that's just black and full of worms, it's something that stays with you for a long time. It's a bit of a traumatic event, if I do say so myself. But yeah, that's what you should know. Beautiful walnut trees, not beautiful fruit, but that's okay. We're all organisms of an ecosystem, and we all must try to exist with our relations, no matter how gross we find them.